Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's video, I'll share with you another 7 items that are reselling on eBay right now and making from 30% profit to 96% profit. All of the items that I'll share with you are live on eBay right now as I record this, and all have sold at least once in the last 30 days. And I'll also show you all the suppliers for all of those items. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for 23 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home. So let's launch straight into it. The first item to resell on eBay is a Heyman Reese towing kit. That's being sold on eBay for $129.50 and Repco is selling these for $55. The next item is another Heyman Reese item, and this is selling on eBay for $149 and Repco is selling these for $79. The next item to resell on eBay is an Azito drill, and they're being sold on eBay for $169 and they're being sold by Bunnings for $99. Next item for reselling on eBay is a vacuum cleaner, and they're being sold on eBay for $297 and Godfrey's is selling these for $199. And notice that this seller is charging an additional $65 for shipping. Next item sold on eBay is a Shiraz, and they're being sold by Woolworths for $20 and being sold on eBay for $38. And again, notice the seller is charging an additional $22 for shipping. Next is a sewing machine, and they're being sold on eBay for $175 and Spotlight selling them for $125. Next is a carpet shampooer, and they're being resold on eBay for $299 plus $25 for shipping, and they're being sold by Super Cheap Auto for $189.99. If you want more detail about creating your own automated eBay business from scratch and from home, make sure you check out this video over here showing how to make $1,000 profit per week reselling on eBay. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step by step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Till next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.